Today I'm going to show you how to rekey a deadbolt lock. Now the first thing you're going to want to get is a rekeying kit. This one I have is from Primeline. I bought it on Amazon. It's about $13 or $14. And this specific lock is a quick set, so you got to get the kit specific to your lock. Now in this kit they give you tweezers, a removal tool, the pins you need for up to 6 different locks, and this follower, and also 3 replacement keys. So this is my deadbolt. Like I said, it's a quick set, pretty simple. So once you remove this from the door, it comes apart pretty easy. And you have to get this barrel out of this housing. So in order to do that, you're going to have to remove this. There's a clip on the back of this deadbolt. It's a little black clip, and this tool will help you push that off. Okay, so now it's released, and I can just pull this pin off of here. There we go. Let's see. There you go. Now once you have that off, you're going to need to have the original key. There. And then you're going to use this follower to keep the top pins in place. They are spring loaded and they're in here, and they'll fall out if you just pull this barrel out. So what I want to do here is turn the key 45 degrees, stick this follower on the back of the barrel, and you want to keep tension on both sides of this so that you make sure you get under all of those top pins. So we're just going to push this barrel out. Oh. Push this barrel out and keep the top pins in place. Now I have this barrel out, and you can, if you look closely here, and see these pins in here, and that's what we're going to replace. So we're just going to put those out. Now for this particular lock, or this particular rekey kit, it has color-coded pins, and so we know the order that they go into. So now all we need to do is put these pins into the barrel. So here I have my pins lined out into the order they go, and we're just going to pop these into the barrel. Sometimes this can be a little bit tricky with the tweezers. Often I just like to use my fingers. Now when we put the replacement key in, you'll see these pins will move, and then they sit flush here, allowing the key to turn. So now that those pins are in, we can go ahead and reassemble the lock. So here's my housing, and I'm going to take this barrel and I'm going to make sure it's 45 degrees from the top, and I'm going to just reverse the process here, keeping tension on both sides, the barrel and the follower, and just push this barrel right back in. So now you can take the key and put it back upright, and then make sure this barrel doesn't fall out, and we can replace the parts now. Let me put this clip back on here. Okay, it clicked into place. So now this barrel is safely locked in here. You can turn this around and you can pull the key out. And then the lock's rekeyed. So now we just put the deadbolt back together and we're done. Thanks for watching Workshop and Home. We'll see you next time.